So I'm looking at the display here where we have the Cobalt 24 volt max brushless tools, and there's a clearance kit that maybe you folks haven't seen, but maybe you can check if you have it in your store and if they are clearancing it out as well. But check this out. So here you've got the 24 volt max brushless 2-tool kit. That's the hammer drill combo kit, and you can see that they're clearancing it out. There's your yellow sticker here. And so they've dropped the price from $179. So there's your item number and the model number right there. Now it's saying that it was $179, so they've been trying to clearance this item out of here. This kit shows up right now on Lowe's website as $279. And so sometimes it might say see lower price when you put it in your shopping cart, and then it'll show you a lower price. But I don't know. But anyway, so this is a pretty decent deal. You're basically getting it at $125 off at this $152 price.
Okay, so this previous video we just showed you here, this little segment, was from a few weeks ago during one of our live streams at Lowe's. Okay, now this has been going on for weeks. The price has slowly been eroding, and so now it's showing up on Lowe's website here for $125. But keep in mind, it is getting harder and harder to locate this kit.
So there are not too many left. There's your number there. You would type that number in on any Lowe's search box there. That's the Lowe's SKU number, the item number, 0790022. So I would definitely hunt that one down. So if you want to score this kit, many stores are down to one. The Lowe's near my house does not even have this one. But this one here is in Pompano Beach on Federal Highway south of Copans Road, next to what used to be the Pompano Fashion Square. I don't know if any other Lowe's near me have this. I just did a rudimentary scan to find it. I think the Boca store may have one. But what you're going to find out is that your local stores either have one or not. And even if it says that it ran out, I would head down here and see if they've got it. And if they don't have it here on the shelf, then it could be up top if they have any other Cobalt stuff up top.
So a lot of people have been ignoring my advice lately when I tell you, forget about what it says online or on the app about either inventory or price. Get down there to the store and see what it is in your particular store. Because a lot of times they get the inventory wrong. Both Home Depot and Lowe's have been way off on their inventory many times this year. And it's the people that I put up the videos and I tell them what to do, and I get the same complaints. They go, oh, I looked at it online and it says there's none available in my store. I'm like, well, go down there anyway and find it. I am living proof of that, because the previous screenshot, you saw that it said there was 0 in stock in Pompano store, but yet here we are in the Pompano store and we've got one in stock. The other thing that I want you to do is what we talked about in our video yesterday when we talked about that Cobalt hedge trimmer, how the prices were all over the place online, and that it wasn't even showing that it was on sale online, but you go to the store and it was 50% off. So I want you to take here the lowest price you see here on any of these screenshots and show it to your store for this Cobalt 2-tool combo kit. And if their price is higher, see if they will match it. So many people have reported back to us success this week about getting them to match the items, either to the online price or to what they saw on their app. And some people even showed them our videos that showed the lower price and got the manager to accept and meet that lower price, like you see here on the DeWalt hammer drill deal. Now, a friend of our channel, Al Lopez, he has been shopping for some Cobalt hedge trimmers over the last few days, and we put up this video here yesterday showing you about that 40 volt Cobalt hedge trimmer. That's actually showing full price on the website, but numerous different sale prices when you get to the store, and sometimes even in the app is a different price. So we have another one today to show you. This one is an 80 volt version of their hedge trimmer, and this one is the same thing. And just like yesterday when we showed you, here you can see it's full price on the website if you look at $199. But then our friend Al Lopez, of course, he sent us this screenshot off of his Lowe's app showing that it's $68 in one area And then if you go into your store, you may find something else. It might be around that same price. But either way, that's an incredible deal off of the $200 price if you can score it in that $60 to $70 range. This is an incredible deal for an 80-volt outdoor tool. And remember, for this $68 price, folks, you're getting an 80-volt tool that comes with the battery and the charger.
And then check this out. So they have here this set we just showed you at another Lowe's live stream last week. These were $24.95, I think they're. So at this particular Lowe's store, they've got them down to $19.98 now. So these are those really nice sets. I like these. I have a set of these. These are the nut drivers. And then it's so much better to have a specific tool that does just that thing when you need it, like when you're installing ice makers and taking apart the electronics under the bottom of dishwashers, you know, that sort of thing. This is a great set. Yeah, it's a lot better priced at $19.98 than it was at the other stores where it was like $24.
Right here is the video we were talking about that we uploaded yesterday, talking about these 50% off deals on that, on the 40-volt version of the Cobalt hedge trimmer. So make sure you check out that one. As well as we did a walkthrough on Lowe's earlier in the week, but we uploaded this one in 4K video because the live stream was giving us problems with compression and noise and everything. So we decided, hey, we'll just film it and then upload it for you in high def. So we showed you a preview of some of the gift sections that they're opening up now in Lowe's with all of the tools, what I call the stocking stuffer aisles. And then here also is where we showed that DeWalt hammer drill kit that's $175 off that you want to check out. So, you know, just make sure you come back and binge watch some of our other videos here that we've produced in all sorts of categories. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.